Trex Transcend Railing Stairway Installation Guide. Note, make sure both the top and the bottom posts for the stairs are installed at the nose of each tread. Transcend stair kits and gaskets work only with a stair slope of 32 to 37 degrees. Step 1. Install post skirts and sleeves according to horizontal standard Trex Transcend installation instructions. Step 2. Cut the rails and the baluster spacers to length. Determine the length and angle for both the top and the bottom rail. Subtract 1/16 of an inch from each end to allow the clearance for optional railing gaskets. Cut the rails and baluster spacers to length and at the same angle. Ensure the baluster spacers are equally spaced at each end to ensure the holes will line up during assembly. Step 3. Prepare for installation of the adjustable foot block. Mark the location of the adjustable foot block on the bottom rail. Cut the top section of the block to the same angle as the rail. Drill a hole in the bottom rail for future foot block installation. Step 4. Install bottom newel post railing support brackets, RSBs. Slide the Trex Express assembly template into position. Position the pre-cut bottom rail between the posts. Align the rail on the bottom rail outline on the tool with the end of the bottom rail. Then remove the bottom rail. Attach the RSBs to the bottom newel post flat side up. Then remove the Trex Express assembly template. Snap the top RSB into place to create the proper angle for railing installation. Step 5. Install top newel posts RSBs. Slide the Trex Express assembly template into position. Position the pre-cut bottom rail between the posts. Using the RSB on the bottom post rail for alignment, align the bottom rail outline on the tool with the end of the bottom rail. Then remove the bottom rail. Attach the RSBs to the top newel post flat side down. Then remove the Trex Express assembly template. Snap the bottom RSB into place to create the proper angle for railing installation. Step 6. Attach the bottom rail and foot block. Lift the bottom rail into the lower RSBs using scrap material to temporarily support the rail. Place the optional stair gasket at the ends of the bottom rail prior to screwing the rails into place. Using screws provided, screw down through the bottom RSB into the rail. Attach the adjustable foot block to the bottom rail. Step 7. Install the baluster spacers and balusters. Install the pre-cut baluster spacers. Snap one baluster spacer into the bottom rail. Place the second baluster spacer on top of the first, upside down with the snaps facing upward. Pass the balusters through the holes of the baluster spacers into the bottom rail. Balusters must be cut at the ends to the angles of the stairs. Step 8. Attach top rail to posts. Place the top rail on the upper RSBs of the post. Position the balusters into the channel. Using the screw provided, screw up through the top bracket into the top rail. Raise the baluster spacer and snap it into place. Place the optional stair gaskets on the ends of the top rail. Step 9. Finishing up. Secure post cap on the post using a bead of silicone or PVC adhesive around the top of the post sleeve to secure it. For more information, visit Trex.com, TrexPartners.com, or call 1-800-BUY-TREX.